Feeder's running, filling these bunks up. The shorter one's full, and I'm finishing up with this big bunk. The cows you're seeing right now have already been milked. These are your really, really good cows. They're refueling up. Here's your holding area. They're locked in, and they're going in. Now, number 7's taking a poop right there. There's your young bull chewing his cud, relaxing. Again, nice breeze, kind of warmed up. This cow here is 12 years old. I don't know if you remember this 105. She's had 10 calves.